everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are talking essential oils. Now, essential oils have been around for many years, and most oftentimes it was the healers and alchemists that worked with essential oils. What are essential oils? Simply put, essential oils are oils that are cold pressed or withdrawn from leaves, barks, flowers, and they are pressed and those oils come out. Now, I always use this analogy in my classes, so I'll use it here too. If you ever break open an orange and you see the little squirts that come out, the little droplets of liquid, that is essential oils. That is what we get when we press those rinds together. And so what essential oils are is they were what I call little healers. They help our bodies to heal from the inside out. Now, they help our bodies fight off. Okay, so let me back up a little bit. In our brain area and in our body, we have called a limbic system, and those essential oils work within that limbic system. And what happens is those essential oils go around in our little bodies, big bodies, middle-sized bodies, all bodies, and they help our natural defenses, our natural chemical cells to heal themselves and to fight off diseases and fight off germs. And they help our bodies to strengthen themselves naturally. Now, I have to be careful here because the FDA is starting to really crack down on people. So I'm going to put a disclaimer here. The FDA is not testing essential oils. They don't believe in essential oils, and they're not regulated by the essential oils. Or they do not regulate the essential oils, nor do they regulate us aromatherapists. So none of my products are FDA approved. They're not FDA looked at. And essential oils are not for entertainment. I'm going to put that disclaimer there. I did spend a good 2 years learning how to become an aromatherapist. I do have a level 2 certification, and up on my website you'll see my level 1. My level 2 unfortunately got destroyed in my moving, and I don't have it anymore, unfortunately, and there's no way for me to replace it. So I do have a level 2. I have 200 hours or more. Actually, I have 300 hours behind me in my essential oil business. I've been an aromatherapist for over 10 years. And so, I have that. So back to what we were talking about, essential oils. So essential oils are little healers for our bodies. They help our bodies to strengthen our bodies to fight off the germs and bad stuff in our bodies that are coming there. Like cancers, like, internal lymph nodes that get inflamed. If you have a stomach issue, they can help calm the stomach acids down. They work really, really incredibly well. Will they cure diseases? The flat out answer to that is no. Will not cure cancer. Never will cure cancer, but it will help our bodies to fight the cancer. That's the key. They help our bodies fight. They're not going to cure it. Not going to happen. Ebola. There was a big thing that came out about Ebola with essential oils. It will not cure the Ebola virus, but it will help our bodies. Essential oils will help our bodies heal internally to fight off that Ebola virus. Same thing with COVID, same thing with common colds and flus. They will help you breathe better. They will help you they will just help you feel better in general, because we have so much chemicals that are coming into our bodies, and They're helping our bodies to fight off those bad chemicals, those bad viruses, those bad things in our systems. And so essential oils are, the best way to put it is our little healers. I call them the little drop of healers, because that's what they are. So in using those essential oils, you're helping your body to heal inside out. Now, somebody asked me this question, so I'm just going to answer it. Will it replace medications? I will never recommend that you just drop any medication when using essential oils. My case is different. I do not use inhalers anymore. I have moderate to severe asthma. I've had several attacks over the past couple of years, and I've always gone to my essential oils to save my life. Do I recommend that for everybody? No, because everybody's body is different. And it doesn't matter what medication you're on, whether it's diabetic medication or heart medication or lung medication or transplant medication or any life-saving medication, any medication at all, whether it's a headache or anything else. If you need over-the-counter medications, then please, you have to use them. So I would never recommend you come off your medications. I'm different. I've been on my breathing oil for over 11 years now. I've been on it. And so my body has healed over that time. Do I still have problems with my asthma? Absolutely I do. I'm going to have asthma the rest of my life. I can't get away from it, and I will continue to use my essential oils for that. And if the doctor says the essential oils are not working for your body, because obviously as we age, our bodies are going to break down, then I will definitely go to another system. And if I have to I don't like to, but if I have to, then I will do that. So I will go to the inhalers that they are recommending if they need to. So, but if it's with your doctor and your body is healing by using essential oils, and your doctors tell you, hey, I absolutely love the fact that your body's healing and you're using these essential oils and they're working for you, then yeah, go ahead, drop the medication, then go for it. But I don't recommend it unless it's with your doctor. And just so you guys know, aromatherapists we don't undiagnose, we don't physically treat, and we don't, well, we can see clients. I do work with people individually sometimes, or have in the past. So, but we are not doctors. We're not trained medical doctors. So please don't come to us and say, hey, I have this ailment. What is it? I don't know what it is. I can't diagnose it. I can't treat it. And I'm not going to. I will always refer you to your doctor. So go to your doctors immediately for that, please. Because we don't have the medical training and knowledge to be able to diagnose you. So please don't come to us to any aromatherapist, don't come to us to diagnose you at all. Not going to happen. And if there is somebody that's willing to do that, walk away. Don't go to them. They don't know fully what they're doing. It's not going to happen. Now, we go through the same physiology, and we do learn a lot of the things that the doctors do. And to a point, we could probably help you. We got a stuffy nose, clearly. You've got some sinusitis, and we might say, hey, just use a little bit of tea tree for a couple days, and it'll go away, for instance. Or if you're congested a little bit, there's some coughing blends that we can give you that will help. But if they are not working for your body, then you definitely need to go and see a doctor, and you need to get yourself healed. And so by no means am I saying come to us, we can help you with that. But I will say that the essential oils do fully 100% work. I don't take any medications myself personally, but that's me personally. That's my choice. So just so you guys know, that's my personal choice to go all natural with my healing. I do, as an aromatherapist, I don't self-diagnose. I do go to the doctor and say, hey, this is what's going on. And they go, oh, well, you sprained your ankle. Let's do this for your ankle. And they'll prescribe some aspirin or something. But I have another lotion that has wintergreen and tea tree and some other stuff in it that will help my body to heal from it. So, so that way I can work with that. So that's what that's what aromatherapists do. We help you to feel better from the inside out, and we help you to heal using essential oils after a diagnosis of a doctor. Excuse me. What else can essential oils do? Well, with the thought of mental health right now, and the advancement of suicides that seem to be happening, another thing that essential oils can do is to help our minds, bodies, and souls heal from the inside out. Here again. And I'm not saying that to go sniff an orange or go say, sniff a lemon, but because there's an internal process that you still have to go through. And I definitely recommend seeing therapists here again, and for your mental health. But there are essential oil blends that can help you with your emotional and mental health. I have used them. I've gone through a lot of trauma. I currently still deal with PTSD because of the homeless situation that I was in. And I'll be honest with that. That was hell. Excuse the language, but it was. And it was really hard to get through. But I had my essential oils to help me get me through, to take the negative feelings that I was feeling inside and the negative emotions that I was having inside, from being negative into a positive. And that's what essential oils can do. They can help re-regulate some of the chemical imbalances in your bodies to naturally, of course, give you a positive outlook on things. Now, is it going to cure your suicide thing? I don't know. Everybody's different. But I will have some mental and emotional blends for men and women both, because we are both chemically slightly different. So I do have some blends for that. So look for those, especially helping to get you through grief and sorrow and some pain, mental pain, not physical pain. Well, physical pain too. So we'll be bringing out a whole series of those in the future, and I can't wait to bring those to you guys. But just everyday use too. Lemon is so good for cleaning, so we'll have some cleaning. I'm going to try and create some cleaning supplies on the website you guys can purchase. And then just general counter sprays and things that are all natural, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. I may get a Patreon going. I'm debating that because I am so busy, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put that together. I may just give all the information that I'm doing and help you guys freely. I haven't made that decision yet, but we'll work on that in the future. I have so many other things going on right now that I don't even want to think about Patreon. Coming here to you on Facebook and on YouTube is enough for me right now. I really don't have time to do a whole lot of other stuff. My nose is itching. So that's what essential oils are. And I absolutely love essential oils. I am a certified level 2 aromatherapist, have been for over 10 years, and have been using essential oils for a minimum of 11 years. Now, I've studied aromatherapy for many, many years before that, but I really didn't get certified. After I had an issue with my lungs and had an asthma attack on a hike, and a friend had a specific blend of oils, and she presented it to me. It put everything together that I had been learning, and it was like, you know what, I definitely need to go do this because it saved my life that day. So essential oils are just incredible, and we'll have a large range right now. I think I have 20 essential oils available up on the website. If they're not on the website, I have more coming, because I've got probably there's 300 known essential oils. I think I carry about 100 of those. So, and a lot of them I'm just not working with right now. There's a lot of new ones coming out, like guaragak wood. I've never heard of that before, so I'm going to go learn about that. And there was another one that Cajaput. I've never heard of that one before. And there's Davian and a couple others that I've never heard about before. So I'm going to go learn about those, and we'll get those done. So we will be increasing our essential oil line. Now, there's a lot of good brands out there, such as doTERRA and Young Living and a few others that have popped up. And I'm going to tell you to be really careful of some of those companies. doTERRA, not so much. I like doTERRA. I have used doTERRA. I started working with doTERRA directly, and then I decided to branch off myself and do my own thing because I wanted to bring products out and not just, I wanted to make my own product basically. And I didn't want to sell somebody else's product because I can bring my product so much lower than what some of these bigger companies can. But doTERRA is a really, really good company, and so is Young Living. If you're going to not use my essential oils, then I highly recommend those two companies. However, their essential oils are really expensive, so just be aware of that. But they're sourced properly, and I highly recommend them. You are getting your essential oils from a certified aromatherapist. 9 times out of 10, those aromatherapists do know where to get the essential oils. We do have resources that are outside the norm of some of these other companies. And we do source our products properly. And we look to, we make sure that the companies that we get, at least I do. I can speak for myself. I don't know what other companies do, but I do research the companies and make sure that they do know what they're doing and they are sourcing their essential oils properly. So I do make sure that they are sourced properly. And the grades that I use are 100% therapeutic grade. So they're the highest quality they can be, even though there's no ranking. They're not pure. They are 100% therapeutic grades. So just be aware of that. And I absolutely love my essential oils. So, and the ones that I have coming in are really, really good. So be aware of that. Somebody asked me if I would use doTERRA or Young Living to make my products with, and I went no. The reason for that is I want to come up with my own blends. I have formulas that are very old, formulas that have been known to work for many years, at least 50, 60 years on some of these oils, and I have chosen to use those formulas because they do work. Now, does that mean that I'm not open to stuff that's new because we are learning new things about essential oils? Yes, I absolutely am. And I will be changing some of those formulas to work with some of the newer oils that are coming out and reformulate some of those old things. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm actually formulating my products for the blends. So just be aware of that. So, you know, that's the gist of essential oils. You know, without breaking down each individual oil on here, it's a lot of work, and maybe I'll do some videos on that later on down the road. But for now, just know that the oils that I'm using in my products are 100% therapeutic grade. They're 100% essential oils. There's no additives in any of my oils. There's no added chemicals in them. They're resourced properly. I have done the research to check out. No, I am not using a Young Living or doTERRA or any other company. I'm using a company that's been around for over 25 years and knows the business of essential oils. And so the oils that I'm getting in are very, very reliable. So there you have it. So, well, just a little bit about that. If you have any questions that you have or any comments, please leave them down below. Please be respectful when doing so. I have had to pull some really bad comments from people and some very rude comments. And I just want to say that I'm not here to argue with you. I'm not here to be disrespectful to you. And so I ask the same of me. If you want respect, then you have to give respect, and is what I believe in. And so if we learn to respect each other and respect our opinions and respect who we are, then perhaps the world will be a better place. So let's make it a better place. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me, and I truly appreciate it. Look for more essential oil videos. I'll try and break down some individual oils for you and give you some information on those and some other really great videos, and watch me make more products. That's going to continue on. So right now we have Sweet Orange coming up, and we have a few others coming up. So watch for those products. And thank you everybody for joining me. Have a really great, beautiful day. Enjoy the sun while it's here. And if you're in the heat, go put some peppermint on the bottom of your feet. It'll help cool your bodies down every 4 hours. Peppermint essential oil, 100% for the sun. on the bottoms of your feet. It will help cool you down and it'll help get heat. So there you go. Little tidbit for you. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Bye.